2016 screen repair, teardown, and reassemble. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your 2016 Samsung Galaxy J3 smartphone. Easily remove the Galaxy J3 rear cover. Take out the 2600 mAh Samsung Galaxy J3 2016 battery. Remove the following 10 Phillips screws. Apply a little heat, and then use the triangle opening tool to work around the Samsung phone and free the exterior mid-frame. Eradicate the Galaxy J3 loudspeaker box from the mid-frame. Detach the cable for the bottom LED buttons and then the display cable. With the cables out of the way, lift out the Galaxy J7 motherboard. Detach and remove the Galaxy J3 headphone jack. Spudge up the 5-megapixel Samsung Galaxy J3 front-facing camera. Release the ZIF connector and free the 8-megapixel Galaxy J3 2016 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. With the tweezers in hand, remove the earpiece speaker. Plug out the spring contact connected Galaxy J3 vibrator. Begin to free the Galaxy J3 Super AMOLED display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. Insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the display assembly to the interior midframe. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable and the cables for the bottom buttons when decoupling the 2016 Galaxy J3 screen from the mid-frame. Extract the cables for the bottom buttons and Galaxy J3 home button switch.